Reaching Cars presents the 2025 BYD Han L, a masterpiece of modern modification. The 2025 BYD Han L is a stunning blend of cutting-edge technology, performance upgrades, and sleek design modifications that redefine luxury electric sedans. Under the hood, the Han L features an enhanced electric powertrain, delivering an impressive 600 horsepower and 700 Newton-meters of torque, thanks to its upgraded dual-motor setup. The advanced blade battery technology ensures a remarkable range of 700 kilometers on a single charge, with ultra-fast charging capabilities that restore 80% battery in just 18 minutes. Exterior modifications give the Han L a bold, futuristic stance. A redesigned aerodynamic body kit, carbon fiber accents, and custom LED matrix headlights amplify its aggressive yet elegant look. The lowered suspension and 21-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires improve handling while maintaining a plush ride. Matte finish paint options, including a striking, phantom gray, further elevate its premium appeal. Inside, the Han L is a tech lover's paradise. A fully digital cockpit features a 17-inch rotating touchscreen, augmented reality HUD, and premium Nappa leather seats with massage and ventilation functions. The cabin is lined with sustainable materials, including recycled aluminum and vegan leather, aligning with BYD's eco-conscious ethos. A 22-speaker Dynaudio sound system delivers immersive audio, while advanced driver assist features like Level 3 autonomous driving ensure safety. Performance modifications include adaptive air suspension, Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, and a rear-wheel steering system for razor-sharp cornering. The Han L also boasts a track mode, adjusting power distribution and suspension stiffness for spirited driving. Reaching Cars verdict: the 2025 BYD Han L is a game-changer, combining electrifying performance, avant-garde design, and next-gen tech. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Stay tuned to Reaching Cars for more electrifying rides.